Okay, class, this is class number 13. So, let's start. What are you doing here? Kiss our fella. What are you doing here? Kiss our fella. What are you doing here? Kiss our fella. Are you waiting for me? Est-ce que c'est moi Wapton? Are you waiting for me? Est-ce que c'est moi Wapton? Are you waiting for me? Est-ce que c'est moi Wapton? What time is it? Qu'il est lié? What time is it? Qu'il est lié? What time is it? Qu'il est lié? At what time will you finish working today? À quelle heure vous fin travail aujourd'hui? At what time will you finish working today? À quelle heure vous fin travail aujourd'hui? At what time you will be finished working today? À quelle heure vous fin travail aujourd'hui? Would you like to go to a coffee with me? Ou ta aimé al prendre un café avec? Would you like to go to a coffee to take a coffee with me? Ou ta aimé al boire un café avec? Would you like to take a coffee with me? Ou ta aimé al prendre un café avec? Do you love movie? Ou aimé film? Do you love movie? Ou aimé film? Do you love movie? Ou aimé film? Are you single? Ou célibataire? Are you single? Ou célibataire? Are you single? Ou célibataire? Are you married? Est-ce que vous marié? Are you married? Est-ce que vous marié? Are you married? Est-ce que vous marié? Okay, guys, that was all for today. See you in the next video.